Hello students, today we are going to study the poem The Dolphins written by Carol Ann Duffy. She is actually a Scottish poetess and she has a well-known status in the literary works of English. In this poem, she is trying to show us the life and the ill effects of the imprisonment of two mammals, the dolphins, which are taken out of the sea and put in a water pool or an aquarium in a water park, and how they feel. She is trying to give a voice to one of the dolphins who is trying to tell its own feelings. So it is a dramatic monologue in which the dolphin is telling us the pathetic condition of their life inside the pool. So let's try to look at each stanzas. The dolphins, may the first stanza is saying, world is what you swim in or dance. It is simple. We are in our element, but we are not free. Outside this world, you cannot breathe for long. The other has my shape. Stop. The other's movement forms my thoughts and also mine. There is a man and there are hoops. There is a constant flowing guilt. In this stanza, we are being told that the dolphins are kept in a water pool. So one of the dolphins is saying, world is what you swim in. Our world is water. So it is a world in which we can swim, we can dance. Yes, we are in our element. Element. Element means water. Water is the only world of living. So they are in water where they can swim and dance, but they are not free. Because initially when they used to be in the ocean or the sea, they could swim freely here and there. But this is a water tank in which they are kept, so they are not free. They are enclosed in that water tank in which they have to swim and dance. Outside this world, you cannot breathe for long. They say that if we come out of our element, water, it is but natural we will die. We cannot breathe. The other has my shape. That dolphin is saying that the other dolphin is also having the same thoughts as I am feeling presently. The other's movement forms my thoughts. Both of us are thinking the same, that though we are in the same element, water, but we are not free as we used to be initially. And also mine. You can see here the lines are being continuous. The other movement forms my thoughts, full stop, and also mine. When the other sentence is a continuation of the previous sentence, it is said to be enjambment. This is one of the figures of speech. Enjambment. There is a man and there are hoops. There is a man who is standing to control their movements inside the water pool, and he gives them hoops on which they have to cross and perform tricks. There is a constant flowing guilt. Constant flowing guilt means the way the human beings are treating these dolphins shows their enormous guilt. This guilt is in the form of water that is being constantly flown into the pool. A water supply is being given into the pool. This was the first stanza in which we came to know that the dolphins are in the same element, water, where they can swim and dance, but they are not free. Right? They are not free as they used to be when they were in the seas or oceans. The other is the next dolphin. The previous dolphin is talking about the next dolphin, that he is also there, that dolphin is also there, and both of them are having the same shape and the same thoughts. So they are sharing the same thoughts that they are not free. They remember the previous days when they were free. There is a man who is standing there to control their movements and giving them hoops on which they have to cross and perform tricks. And there is a flowing guilt. A constant water supply is being given inside that pool. That is an artificial water. It is not a natural water. Then the second stanza says, we have found no truth in these waters. No explanations tremble on our flesh. We were blessed and now we are not blessed. After traveling such a space for days, we began to translate. It was the same space. It is the same space always, and above it is the man. So the dolphin says that we do not find any naturality in the water in which we are. The water or the water pool in which we are does not have that same tinge as the sea water or the ocean water used to have. So they are saying that there is no explanation to tell us that these waters are not natural or they are artificial. Nobody is there to explain us all these things. We can already understand. Previously, when we used to be in the seas or the oceans, we were quite blessed. We were free. We could move here and there. But now, since we are confined in the water pool, we seem not to be blessed. And after traveling in this, initially when we were put in the pool, we could not adjust. Now, after traveling in this pool for several days, we have tried to adjust within the same environment. It was the same space. That means it was the same water. This is also water, and the rivers and oceans were also water. It is the same space always, and above it is a man. Here also we are in the water, but this time we are not free. We are imprisoned. We are just like slaves because a man is standing in order to control us. So this shows that man is trying to dominate the animals without considering how the animals feel when they are being enslaved by man. Then comes the third stanza. And now we are no longer blessed. Again, this is being taken. For the world will not deepen to dream in. The other knows, and out of love reflects me for myself. We see our silver skin flash by like memory of somewhere else. There is a colored ball we have to balance till the man has disappeared. So the dolphin says that now we are no longer blessed. We are just confined in a small water tank. And because this is not the world that we dreamt about. And the other dolphin is just like me. She knows what I feel and I know what she feels. And so we sympathize with each other out of love. Then they remember the days when the sun rays used to enter into the sea, and when it got reflected from their skin shined as a silvery white shine used to come out of their body when the sun rays were reflected. So this is a memory which they are memorizing, that when we were in the fresh waters, oceans, seas, so how the sun rays used to reflect from our body, giving it a silvery tinge. Now we are confined in a pool and there is a colored ball on which we have to balance. And we have to keep on balancing on that till the man disappears. Then only we'll feel somewhat free inside that pool. Otherwise, we'll have to work accordingly. We'll have to perform the tricks till the man is there. Fourth stanza says the moon has disappeared. Why the moon has disappeared? Instead of the moon, now they are given a plastic toy which replaces the shape of the moon. That plastic toy is now behaving as a moon for them. We circle well-worn of water on a single note. Single note, when the whistle is given by that man, whistles, then they have to move around the water to form grooves into the water. Music of loss forever. There is no music, there is only a monotonous repeated whistle which is given by that man on which they have to perform tricks. From the other's heart which turns my own to stone. The other one also feels very much depressed, and I also feel very much depressed. And now, since we have to live continuously in this water forever, in this pool, so it makes my it makes my heart somewhat stone-hearted. Now I do not feel any type of feeling. There's a plastic toy, there is no hope. The dolphin tries to say that now our future is bleak, dark. There is no hope of being free from this confinement. We sink to the limits of this pool. They dive deeply into the pool and remain there till a whistle is heard. When the man whistles, they have to come out of the water and perform the tricks. There is a man, and our mind knows we will die here. So, there is a man means the dolphin is saying that our life is now being controlled by that man, and we know that throughout our life now we'll have to remain in this water and we will have to die one day here. So this shows the pathetic condition and the feelings of the dolphins. So in the second stanza we say there is no truth. No truth, everything is artificial, nothing is natural. Even the water that is being supplied is through some water supply, only the water is being supplied in the water tank. They were blessed when they were initially in the sea, and now they are not blessed. To translate, it took days for them to adjust themselves inside that water pool. It is the same space. Same space means it is same element, water. But now it is not that same space as it used to be. It was a free, open river on which they could swim anywhere. And this space is being controlled by a man. In the third stanza, we saw out of love reflects. The other one, out of love reflects, means both of them sympathize with each other, but they cannot do anything else, both the dolphins. Silver skin, that was an old memory when the sun used to be reflected from the skin and gave a silvery tinge. Now they have only a colored ball on which they have to balance till the man goes from there. They have to keep on balancing on that ball and perform tricks. In the fourth stanza, we see a single note, a monotonous whistle. There is no other music, a monotonous whistle that is given by that man on which they have to keep on performing. There is no moon. A moon has been replaced by a plastic toy that becomes a moon. They have to sink to the limits. They go deep into the water and remain there till a whistle is given by that man to come out and perform the tricks. We will die here. They know that now our life is being controlled by that man, and one day soon we will die here only. So these were the stanzas. And as I told you, there was a figure of speech enjambment in which continuously the sentences were being spoken. The other has my shape, full stop. The other's movement forms my thoughts and also mine. Everywhere there is a full stop, but the next sentence is a continuation of the previous one. Then simile में we see our silver skin flash by like memory. So they can only imagine when sun was there. If the sun would be here also, still our skin would shine in a silvery manner. Alliteration, world is what you swim in. WW has been repeated. Metaphor, we circle well-worn grooves of water on a single note. Well-worn grooves, as I told you, when the man he whistles, they have to swim around the water in such a way that circles are formed in it. Repetition, the other has my shape, the other's movement, the other has been repeated again and again. The tone used in this poem is quite depressing and sad. It is a depressed tone, a sad tone, which reflects the feelings of the dolphins who have been entrapped in the pool. And the theme that we are seeing here is enslavement. Now they are not free. They have been enslaved. They feel like slaves. They have to work only according to the instructions of the man. Otherwise, they cannot do anything else apart from that. And the second theme is human greed and cruelty. The human beings, they try to enslave the animals according to themselves. They try to tame them, not knowing what feelings the animals carry in them. What do they feel? There is nothing to do with the human beings that they have to feel the emotions of that animal. So the theme of human greed and consequent cruelty done to animals is pointed out in the poem by Carroll and Duff. And as I told you, it is a dramatic monologue in which a voice is given by the poetess to one of the dolphins who is trying to convey her feelings in order to show that how enslavement can affect the life of animals. So hope you have understood the concept of the dolphins. And if you like the concept, you have understood the concept, then press the like button. We'll come up with more stories and poems of class 10th and 12th. Thank you.